How to prepare the best homemade weight loss drink to lose 7 kg in 7 days without diet and exercise. By drinking this, you will shed those extra kilos, your overall health improves significantly. It brings down the risk of suffering from diabetes, heart disease, osteoarthritis, specific types of cancer and stroke. It improves your blood sugar levels, cholesterol levels, and brings down your blood pressure. Ingredients: 1 cup, 250 milliliters of cold water, 3/4 of a teaspoon of roasted cumin powder. Cumin may boost your metabolism, lower cholesterol level, and help decrease your blood sugar. 1 teaspoon of lime juice. Citric acids in lime juice can boost metabolism, helping you burn more calories and store less fat. 1 inch of ginger root. Ginger affects how your body burns fat, digests carbohydrates and uses insulin. Before we go ahead with these simple remedy, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more weight loss and fitness tips. Preparation: cut the ginger into small pieces. Add it to a blender, along with cold water. Blend these ingredients until it becomes smooth. Pour the ginger water into a glass. Add roasted cumin powder and lime juice. Mix the ingredients well before consuming. You will notice amazing results in just 1 week. You will lose 7 kilos in a week without any diet. All the fat accumulated in your belly will be dissolved. Try this remedy and send your feedback in the comments below. If you love this video, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family. See you in my next video.